Hey guys, I just wanted to send you a really quick reminder about how things are going to go starting tomorrow, Wednesday, August the 22nd, with your presentations of your summer projects. So you do need to bring a printout of your summer project that you made. It needs to be on a piece of construction paper as a border. If you don't have any construction paper, no worries at all. I will bring construction paper and you can use some of mine to put yours on. And you will actually be explaining why you gave your book the amount of stars or whatever rating you did that you did, what you liked and what you didn't like. So it goes along with how you rated your book. And that's it. Again, this will be the last presentation you do where you don't have a rubric attached. So it should be an easy 15 points as long as you take it seriously and you really explain in detail why you gave it 5 stars or 4 stars or 3 stars or 6 apples, 5 apples, 4 apples, however you rated it. And that's it. And then we're going to hang all of your projects up in the hallway so that other people can see how you felt about the book that you read this summer, and it might help them decide what book they want to bring in as their independent novel. And if you have your independent novels already purchased, whether they're electronic or they're a book copy, you can start bringing them to class so that you have them with you in case we're not doing anything or you're finished early and you've got something to keep you busy. You can start reading your book. So just an FYI on that, and I look forward to seeing and hearing all about your summer reading that you did this year. Thanks.